If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Audi SQ5 Quattro in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear spoiler, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.0-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3278A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.